heavy guy.
Oh, it is Chief. I didn't see
Oh, it is Chief.
Yeah, it's Master Chief.
Very nice.
So, Sly, on a recent episode of Creature Talk, you mentioned that you would like someone from the community to build an Iron Man suit for you.
Yes.
Oh, it says the guy with the huge
I
Master Chief.
built this suit and a few others, so my question is, are you still interested?
Yeah.
His second question is, are you willing to pay?
Yeah. As long as you're not asking for sexual favors.
Can we talk about it after the panel? Or?
Yeah, we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna make it
I
happen.
remember which one you are. So.
It's a very, very hard to like spot.
Yeah.
Dude with the fucking.
That was like a quick one. Did you get?
That was a quick one. We can do the Borderlands guy right behind you.
Hey, thank you for the question.
All right, Nova. James.
Why did I let you go?
Why did you let me go? I don't know. All right, so I have a friend, and he wants to high five you. Will you high five him?
Thank you.
Look at the sight. Oh my god. Like such a badass.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you so much.